Now to a story that's new at 10. Washington County Jail has selected a medical provider for 2023, the same provider that recently withdrew from its 2022 contract, only to rebid weeks later. 5 News reporter Ian Taylor has new details behind the Caris Healthcare contract.
Dr. Rob Caris and his team with Caris Healthcare have been providing medical care to Washington County Jail detainees since 2016. Citing an increase north of $500,000 in medical malpractice insurance, according to the sheriff-elect, Caris informed the jail in early December he would be pulling out of his 2022 contract at the end of the year, opting not to renew.
It was important to us to have somebody identified and on-site and ready to take over January 1st.
Sheriff-elect Jay Cantrell tells 5 News 3 companies bid to take over as the jail medical provider, including Caris Healthcare, which had withdrawn just weeks earlier. According to public records, Dr. Caris came in with the lowest bid and was awarded the 2023 contract, more than $900,000 above what he was paid in 2022.
It is no change in operation. This was a seamless transition. Certainly if some other company had bid lower and we had accepted them, then it would be a bigger challenge.
Arkansas procurement laws states that when evaluating bids, the lowest responsible bidder is selected. Cantrell was part of the tabulation process and believes the decision to award the contract to Caris was appropriate.
He submitted his bid, and had it not been the lowest, then I suppose he probably wouldn't have been selected.
But not everyone agrees that the bid process was done with due diligence or with enough time.
I don't think it was a fair bidding process.
Beth Koger is an incoming Justice of the Peace and co-founder of the Arkansas Justice Reform Coalition. She is also suing the county over Freedom of Information Act concerns. She believes the process favored Dr. Caris.
Did we get the best deal? Are we getting the best medical care, the best services for the people that we lock at our jail? We don't know that because we really didn't give anyone else a chance.
The cost of Caris's new contract is more than $500,000 above the county's 2023 budget, something the sheriff-elect says his office warned the quorum court about earlier this month.
We were fairly certain it was going to be more expensive. No matter who did it, that it was going to be more expensive.
Sheriff-elect Cantrell says the next step in the process is having the county judge sign off on the contract. It will then go to the quorum court to approve the budget increase.
I'm hoping that my colleagues on the court will be paying attention to this and that they'll do their research and due diligence and be prepared to ask some hard questions.
In Washington County, covering news where you live, Ian Taylor, 5 News.
You may remember Dr. Caris, along with the sheriff and the jail, are being sued by the ACLU and 4 inmates for prescribing Ivermectin to treat COVID-19 without their consent. The sheriff-elect says the lawsuit did not impact the decision to award the contract. We reached out to Dr. Caris's office for comment and have not heard back.